been alright.
No way.
Rubik's Cube. My kid's Rubik's Cube so they can
Okay, go solve it right in front of him, dude. Go get in the shot.
Yeah.
Ready?
Vámonos, Recio.
What happened?
Ahí va.
Okay, count by 1001.
One second.
One.
One second.
Ready?
Wait. I'll tell you when I'm gonna go.
Wait.
Wait, he has to look at it first.
Tell me when you're ready.
Alright.
Alright, ready?
Ready?
It's like
Set. Go.
Are you telling him numbers?
Yeah, he's telling me.
I told
Spin it again. Spin it again.
Mess it up
so
more.
you
I
make
won't
sure
look.
mess him up.
Give me some. Give me some. Give me some power.
No, he's not watching.
Good. Yeah, he didn't see that one.
10 seconds, right there. Ready?
Wait.
On your mark.
Wait, hold on. Wait, he has to look at it.
Ready?
It might be in 11 seconds.
Ready? Set. Go.
Damn it. I'm dizzy.
14 seconds. Oh, shit.
14.
Okay,
Good,
let me make
good,
it hard.
here we go.
Ready? Wait, I got
Wait. If he beats your 14, I say you pay him back double the 5.
Alright. No,
It's gonna take him about 2 years to solve.
No, you won't.
I'm gonna do a slow. No more for you.
Let me see.
Okay, who's
Ready?
timing?
1, 2, 3.
Go.
You're almost there.
You almost got it. You're beating him.
You have like 2 yellows on one side. Yeah. No.
Got it.
Wrong way. Yeah, right there. Turn it.
Wait, as long as you get the Dodger colors in one side, you're good.
Try to get all the blue. 20 seconds.
Hey, what's up?
Okay, now give it to him. See if he can solve it. Go.
Nah.
You almost had it, man.
Almost.
You were just a few seconds away from solving.
Good. Practice.
Oh my God, dude.
Your face.
What's the time? Be a clock right here.
Okay, so I just gotta touch it? Oh, we can sign that. Go. No way. There you go, bro. Glitter on those. Any glitter on those?
No, yeah, he had a bet because they said they didn't think they could test it after a minute.